Hello, hey guys, the new problem, the YouTube watch video is not working, the something with wrong type to rewrite. The problem easily solve and open the Play Store application and search the YouTube and new update the app. The sub Open the update now, and first of all while setting the iPhone and Android same setting, and the open app manager searching and scroll down and search the app managers. Open the app manager, app setting, this open and search YouTube app and search bar YouTube app, and first of all YouTube app, and open the YouTube app, and first of all permission allow the open the permission and file and manager and cameras and location and phone wells open allow connected allow the all setting is permission allow. The first of all open the allow the back the store and cashier the claim, the store and cashier the claim, the easily problem solve and live video watching problem solve.